Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam games not showing up in Steam library. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one, the first fix that you can do here is to, for example, if you purchase and download some sort of tool or software like I know wallpaper engine, you don't see on the games list. So what you need to do here, you need to go to library, games, and then here select, for example, software and tools. As you can see here, let's select just software, and wallpaper engine appears because it's not a game, it's just a software. So the first one is just to check if the software is checked, if you download not a game. And then if this doesn't work for you, then you need to go to Steam, view, and then hidden games. So maybe some games for you is hidden. So here it will be the list of the games that is hidden, right? And then you can drag to your normal collection here. And if this doesn't work for you, then you need to make sure that you really purchase the game. And sometimes the payment do not go through. So what you need to do here, you need to go to store. You need to write the game name or the tool, for example, wallpaper engine here. And if you scroll down, you should see that in library, if you purchase the game, it should say that the game is already in your Steam library, right? And if this doesn't work, then you need to go to Steam, then you need to go to settings. And once you go to settings, then you need to go to downloads, and you need to clear your download cache folder, right? Download cache folder, and then Steam will restart itself, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to go to storage, and here you will see all the games that you have here, and you need to just press on three little dots here, and then you need to repair library, or simply go to, you need to press repair library here. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.